Is there USDT in Newton? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Is there USDT in Newton? Now, I know that this is a question that a lot of you have been asking, and I'm happy to finally be able to give you an answer. But before I do, I want to take a moment to talk about what USDT is and why it's important. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that is pegged to the US dollar. This means that one USDT is always worth $1. This makes USDT a very popular currency for trading and investing, as it provides a stable asset that can be used to hedge against other volatile currencies. Now that we know what USDT is, let's get back to the question at hand. Is there USDT in Newton? The answer is yes. USDT is available in Newton. You can buy, sell, and trade USDT on the Newton platform. How to buy USDT in Newton? Buying USDT in Newton is easy. All you need to do is create an account and deposit some funds. Once you have done that, you can simply go to the USDT page and click on the Buy button. How to sell USDT in Newton? Selling USDT in Newton is just as easy as buying it. All you need to do is go to the USDT page and click on the Sell button. How to trade USDT in Newton? You can also trade USDT in Newton. This means that you can buy and sell USDT at different prices in order to make a profit. The benefits of using USDT in Newton. There are a number of benefits to using USDT in Newton. Here are a few of the most important. USDT is a stablecoin, which means that its value is not affected by the volatility of other currencies. USDT is available on a number of different platforms, including Newton. USDT is a popular currency for trading and investing. If you're looking for a stable and reliable currency to trade or invest in, then USDT is a great option. And if you're looking for a platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade USDT, then Newton is a great choice. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning.